Okie doke, off we go. Last practice session of the day. Okay, let's check the results. Still 4 errors. I was pretty sure I had them all right. There we go. Well, not perfect, but far uh, from completely wrong. It's still over 90%. But I'll continue training lesson 3 of Koch Method for the rest of the week. That's or the system I've adopted is doing one Koch method lesson per week and 3 study sessions, learning sessions per day. I'm trying to do them, 5 minutes in the morning, then 5 minutes around about noon, and then 5 minutes in the evening, and like that every day for a week, and then I'll go through all 40 sessions of the Koch method in 40 weeks. I was going to make it my New Year's resolution, but I guess I'm already, resolute enough to be able to start it right now and not to have to wait until the new year for the resolution to resolve. And, you know, uh, I enjoy it very much. I find it very relaxing, like meditative, so to speak. So I'm able to speak to focus solely on copying CW. It's awesome. Why do I do it? I just passed my license exam. I applied for already for a call sign. Haven't really received it yet, but I'm waiting for it. And basically, the only reason why I decided to take the exam was CW. My brother has a friend who's a ham, um, and you know, he sort of got me hooked up. But then when I dived deeper into the whole ham universe on YouTube, I stumbled upon CW. It was a love at first sight, and that's what I want to do. And the plan is to, I'll wait for. So I'm waiting in anticipation um, for my, call sign to be officially issued, so that you know, um, and I'm going to be officially a ham, right? But my plan is to, um, you know, focus my efforts on learning CW. Then after the 40 weeks, I'll, uh, give myself a prize for finishing the 40-week streak. Um, I'll buy myself, what's it called? Elecraft KH1. And yeah, hopefully continue doing videos, but then doing Soda, Poda, and other CW activations. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, um, I enjoyed really, really a lot. Yeah, that's it from me. Thanks for tuning in, and I see you next time.